Hello, HTVRONT fans. My name is Ashley, also known as the Inspirational Mama. I'm here today at the GPX Expo, checking out HTVRONT's new cutting machine as well as the heat press, the heat auto press. I first got involved in the handicraft industry whenever I had my second daughter, and I found that it was a lot less expensive to make my own things versus buying for two different kids. And then as I've had more kids, I've just continued to learn to make more things.
For now, you already have your fourth kid.
Yeah.
So you made them more crafts for them?
Yes.
As a gift?
Yeah. Well, like shirts with decals on it. And then even like when they get invited to birthday parties for their friends, I'll make them things such as stickers, dope pads, things like that. It's fun, and I feel very satisfied after I've made something. I can look back on it and say, oh, I made that. My target audience would be DIY crafters themselves, folks that want to make their own things. I would say from teenagers on up to a lot of my followers are probably in their 50s and 60s. I partner with a few shops around my local hometown, and I put things in there on like a consignment basis. At least doing something every day. It could be an hour to 4 or 5 hours a day, just depending on what I've got to work on. It really just depends on what I need. I'll typically buy in bulk, so I might spend $200 or $300, and that might last me a few months. Or if I'm really busy making a lot, which I make things to sell as well, so a lot of that would go into that. The adhesive vinyl, like the permanent adhesive vinyl, but then I've really gotten into the sublimation planks, which I love everything I've tried. I love it. The quality is awesome. The price point is awesome. It's better than I do more of making wooden signs, so I use the adhesive vinyl for the most part, and it is way better quality than any other brand that I've ever used. I think it's going to be great. I'm excited to see the cutting machine today. I know that the auto heat press is awesome, and I can only imagine, as great as all the other products are, that this cutting machine will be top notch too. No, I think just keep doing what you're doing. You're doing great.